You already know who it is.
We be bustin'.
It's Big Bussin', baby.